Okay, so let's jump right in. We hear about artificial intelligence, AI, all the time. But how can we actually use it to make our work lives better, faster, smarter? Today, we're going to look at the real, practical ways these AI tools can completely revolutionize your daily routine. We're talking about turning all that potential you hear about into actual results.
Is the big question, isn't it? I mean, we're not just talking about saving a few minutes here and there. What if you could fundamentally change how much you get done in a day? Just think about your current workflow, that to-do list that never seems to end, all those things that just eat up your time. Now, let's try to put a number on that change.
Yep, you're seeing that right. The source material we're looking at suggests a productivity jump of 30 to 50%. But, and this is a big but, it's not magic. This kind of boost only comes from the consistent use of the right tools. It's all about building a system, and that's exactly what we're going to break down right now. So here's our game plan. We'll start with the basic promise of AI. Then we'll get into how it helps with ideas and getting organized. After that, we'll tackle focus and research. Then we'll look at automation and analytics. And finally, the most important part, we'll tie it all together by showing you how to build a routine that actually sticks. All right, part one. You know, every great project, every report, every presentation, it all starts with the same challenge, that intimidating blank page. This section is all about using AI to just crush that initial hurdle and build a clear, actionable plan right from the get-go. Oh, we have all been there. It's just this storm of thoughts, right? A dozen different directions you could go, but no clear path forward. That initial phase can honestly be paralyzing, but this is exactly where AI can step in and basically be your creative co-pilot. And the key here is using the right tool for the right job. You can fire up something like ChatGPT for some super fast brainstorming. I'm talking dozens of ideas in just a few minutes. Then you take those raw ideas and pop them into a tool like Notion AI to organize them into real tasks, with deadlines, with reminders. See? You're moving from total chaos to total clarity. That's the workflow. Okay, so you've got your plan. What's next? The deep work. This is where you really have to dive into the information, make sense of it all, and this is the hard part. Do it without getting pulled away by 1,000 different notifications and distractions. So this is kind of a two-part problem. First, how in the world do you protect your attention when everything is designed to steal it? And second, how do you sift through tons of articles, notes, and data to find the golden nuggets, the insights that actually matter? Let's check out the tools for that. Here we have a pretty powerful trio. Forrest uses this really clever game-like approach to keep you off distracting apps. Then, when you need to find information, Perplexity is like a super focused search engine. It gives you direct answers and tells you where it got them. And then, a tool like Notebook LM can take all your research, summarize it, and even help you create scripts or audio clips from your findings. Pretty cool. Now we are getting to the really powerful stuff. This is about taking all those repetitive, draining, boring tasks completely off your plate. This is the definition of working smarter, not harder. You let AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on the stuff that actually needs your brain power. I mean, just think about it for a second. How much time do you spend sorting emails, scheduling meetings, tracking what you're even doing? These little things, they add up, and they just chip away at your focus and your energy. Automation is all about getting that time back. And here are two fantastic examples. The AI that's now built into Google Workspace can help you draft replies, summarize those super long email chains, and just manage your inbox for you. At the same time, a tool like Rescue Time uses AI to track how you're spending your time on your devices, giving you these incredible insights into your own work habits so you can see exactly where the day goes. So look, having access to all these tools is one thing, but to actually unlock that 30 to 50% boost we talked about, that takes something more. It takes integration. This final part is all about turning these powerful tools into an effortless, daily habit. And it really just boils down to this simple 3-step framework. First, just take a minute and identify those tasks you do over and over that slow you down. Second, pick one or two of the AI tools we've talked about that directly solve those problems. And third, this is the key. Commit to using them every single day until it's just second nature. And if you take away just one thing, let it be this. It's not about using an AI tool every now and then when you remember to. It's about building a daily AI routine.
Just like making your morning coffee, you can make checking your automated summaries or launching your Focus app an automatic part of your day. That is where the real transformation happens.
So the potential is obviously there. The tools are easy to get and the framework is simple. The only question left, well, that's a personal one. With all that extra time and mental energy you've reclaimed, what are you going to build? What problems are you going to solve? What new ideas will you bring to life?